So this is the Holiday Inn Express Midtown West in Hell's Kitchen, actually. What do we got here? We got ourselves a wardrobe, ironing board, iron, laundry bag, coat hooks. Got ourselves a safe and a I don't know if there's a name for it. The luggage holder. Look at that, pen and pad. Nothing there. You know what I'm looking for. Phone, lamp, nice desk, TV. They have direct TV here. Let's see here. Got ourselves the usual Holiday Inn K-Cups, ice bucket, water cups, mini fridge, garbage can down there. Those seats are never really comfortable. How about here? No Gideon Bible. I guess maybe the Holiday Inn Express doesn't have them. When I did check in, they did give me a couple cookies, which is really a nice touch. Turn this on further. Now, this is my second time staying here. Got tissues, more water cups, a little sign telling you if you forgot something. They have more TP, more tissues, garbage can, low rider rest toilet, decent size shower. We got shampoo, conditioner, body wash from Dove because this is a Holiday Inn Express, and of course a hair dryer. So I'm actually going to unpack a bit and then explore the city. So see you guys in a bit.